Hello, excuse me. Where are you from?
Hello,
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Okay, I am from Bangladesh. This is our country, Bangladesh.
So,
Okay, already I have followed you. Followed
what?
you. Already followed you.
What?
Followed you. I have followed you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Just,
we'll follow you back. Okay.
uh, are you a
Okay.
student? Do you study? Student. Do you study?
I'm done with my studies.
Have you completed higher education? Higher education completed. Higher education.
Completed. I graduated nursing.
Just thank you so much. Basically, I'm a private teacher. Teacher. Okay.
Ah, that's nice. Your teacher. Okay. Where are you
Just
from?
I am from Bangladesh. This is our country, Bangladesh. Okay.
Okay. And Philippines. Where
Philippines,
is Philippines?
Mindanao or Manila. From where?
Yeah.
Mindanao. Mindanao.
Manila.
Manila city, Manila, capital city.
Manila.
Capital city, yeah, of course.
Yes.
Just could you please
How
introduce
far? How far?
what?
How far is Bangladesh to Philippines?
Oh, I think that
How far Bangladesh is to Philippines?
just these Philippines and this Bangladesh to Philippines.
Okay.
Just I think that 2 hours difference. 2 hours difference. I think that. Okay.
What is your time?
Just here in our country, Bangladesh,
What is your time?
5:45 p.m. 5:45 p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah.
Mine is 7:45
2 hours.
evening. Yeah.
2 hours difference. Yeah, of
Yes,
course.
2 hours. Exactly.
Just could you please introduce yourself within short sentence about yourself? Could you please?
My name is Shari. I'm a simple girl. That's it.
Okay. Just I am giving my
How
introduction.
about you?
I am giving my introduction. This is Zakaria Hossain
Okay.
from Bangladesh. We are three brothers and sisters.
Okay.
My parents are farmer and a housewife.
Oh.
We are a little family, and basically I am a private teacher. Already completed higher education. I am trying to search news of still. Have you any question?
Okay.
Anything else?
Is this nothing else? Is this an interview?
How funny! This is an funny conversation. Okay. Just what is your future plan? What is your future plan? What is your future plan?
I have no future plan.
But why?
I have no future plan.
Every man should have remain future plan. Just I have a future plan. Actually, I will reach my destination.
What is your future?
I will reach my destination. That is secret. I don't
What secret?
express my opinion about this is privacy.
Oh,
Okay.
are you going to work abroad?
No. I didn't visit abroad, never. But if I get a chance, I will visit your country, Philippines, because Filipino person is very mutual and mutual understanding, basically. Very mutual understanding and funny. Freely. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, acha.
Just don't mind. How old are you?
I am 28.
I am 30 years old.
Okay. Nice to meet you then.
Okay, nice to meet you.
So
Just
what are
I
you doing here in Vigo?
just oh okay. Every single day I come here to practice English, spoken English with someone. With someone. I have come every single day when I get a free time. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Just uh, how do you
Okay.
pass your free time, or how do you spend your free time or leisure time pastimes? How do you spend every single day?
I spend my time like in Vigo and other apps, YouTube, Instagram. Sometimes I read and I do an online class. That's it.
Oh, online class. You learn spoken English from online. You learn spoken English from online. What do you learn?
No, I don't learn.
What do you learn
I
from?
don't learn English.
Okay.
I don't learn English online. I learn in school since I was young in the Philippines. Since elementary, we already have English language. So our second language is English. So that's why
Also, our second
we
language.
know how to speak English.
Okay. Also, our second language is English. Actually. Okay.
Oh, 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 really?
Okay. Just
Okay.
please wait. I R. What do you mean by IRR? IRR. What do you mean by? This is an important organization of your country, Philippines. International Rice Research Institute is
Oh,
situated in Philippines. Okay.
okay.
IRR, International Rice Research Institute, that situated in Philippines. Okay.
Okay.
Just I have collected this information from Google. Google, by searching Google.
Um, so how about that words? How about that IRR?
Just a full meaning: International Rice Research Institute. Your country, Philippines. This is situated.
I know. So what will you do that with?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's all about the agriculture.
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 Yeah. Agriculture, rice.
Rice now is very expensive here in the Philippines.
Okay.
Very expensive rice here in the Philippines. Too much mosquitoes.
Rice production. Rice production in your country is very high.
Yes, rice
Rice
production.
production. Yeah, of course.
I know. Yes.
We collect so many rice from your country. Sometimes we collect rice. Okay. Just what is your favorite hobby? Favorite hobby?
Oh, my favorite hobby. I have a lots of my favorite hobby, but I love to spend time at the beach. Yeah.
My favorite hobby is talking to each other and reading books. When I get time, I read books. So many books I read.
Oh, I read also books.
Just nowadays
I love also
or
books.
currently, I like to talk with foreigners. Most of the foreigners I like to talk. Who knows
Oh,
English?
yeah.
Who knows English? a little bit or medium
Okay.
or so fast. Okay, there is no problem. Actually, thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining with me and staying with me. Still, thank you.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem. Why I lost? Who gave you beans?
Oh, okay.
You have fans?
I have own.
Oh my god, I'm lost.
I have
Wait,
own.
hold on, okay? Hold on.